Good morning, ma'am, and everyone. My name is Arijit Roy, and these are my team members Kunal Chavan, Karthik J, and Soman Zadav. Today, I am here to talk about dimensions of enterprise, a subject that goes beyond textbooks and into the real world. Entrepreneurship is all about innovation, problem solving, and taking risks to build something meaningful. It is the driving force behind startups and businesses that shape our economy and society. Throughout this assignment, we explored the key aspects of entrepreneurship from identifying business opportunities to understanding marketing strategies and challenges. This experience has given us valuable insights into what it takes to be an entrepreneur. A big thank you to our teacher, Dr. Sharayu Bhakre ma'am, who has been a guiding force throughout this project. Her support, encouragement, and practical knowledge have helped us dive deeper into the subject and apply concepts into a real world context. From explaining complex ideas in simple terms to providing constructive feedback, her mentorship has truly enhanced our learning experience. In this assignment, empowering a startup from idea to impact, we collaborated with Startup Maharashtra. Our company name is Parenthook. While working with this startup, we identified our target audience, pitched about our product in daycare center and in Simbi Stars. We did digital marketing, made posters, we researched, analyzed, and applied entrepreneurial principles to come up with solutions that reflect the mindset of an entrepreneur. Overall, this assignment has been an enriching journey, helping us understand not just theories but the real world impact of entrepreneurship. So, today I am excited to introduce to you all to Parenthook Company and innovative startup that is transforming the way parents manage their daily routines. Parenthook is designed to provide smart, practical solutions that make parenting easier, more organized, and stress free. The visionary behind this incredible initiative is Minal Chaudhary, a passionate entrepreneur who understands the challenges of modern parenting. With a deep commitment to helping parents simplify their lives, Minal Chaudhary founded Parenthook to offer technology driving solutions that enhance safety, convenience, and efficiency. Two of their standout innovations are the wristbands and keychains. Wristbands is a smart wearable designed to keep children safe at the public places. Wristbands is also used for those who have pets in their house and for senior citizens also. And keychains are used for someone whose keys are lost and they can easily find them out by scanning a QR code. Through cutting edge technology and a user friendly approach, Parenthook is setting a new standards in smart parenting solutions. I am also excited to share the marketing initiatives my team undertook for our startup Parenthook. As a brand focused on making parenting easier and safer, we knew that effective marketing was key to reach our target audience, parents, caregivers, and childcare centers. One of our major marketing strategies was direct pitching. We personally visited daycares and Simbi Stars where we introduced our products to parents and educators. We demonstrated how the Parenthook wristband provides real time tracking and safety for children in public spaces. These face to face interactions allowed us to address concerns, answers questions, and receive valuable feedback. We also did digital marketing to expand our reach. We used social media platforms to create awareness, engaging parents through informative posts and posters. By highlighting the benefits of our products and sharing real life use cases, we build trust and credibility among potential customers. These marketing initiatives have helped us establish a strong presence and connect with our target audience effectively. Thank you.
We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Meenal Chaudhary and Mr. Harshal Chaudhary, founders of Parenthook, for their valuable guidance and constant support throughout this assignment. We sincerely thank the principal of Simbi Star School and Mrs. Punita Jachak, teacher at Balloons Playgroup Daycare, for giving us the opportunity to market the product and interact with the target audience. A special thanks to our class teacher, Dr. Sharayu Bhakare Ma'am, for her continuous encouragement, mentorship, and support throughout our graduation journey. Her guidance has been instrumental in the successful completion of this project.